Miss Merrick, how are we doing today? Good. So we're gonna get you off the bed, but I do want you to know to remember your precautions. Do not cross the midline as we're getting up. We're gonna use our leg lifter, okay? So first I'm gonna have you prop on your elbows. And if you can go a little bit more, go ahead and prop on your arms, nice and slow. And I'm gonna okay, so now I'm gonna have you grab onto the leg lifter, and then we're gonna place it on your foot. Place my hand right here in between your legs again to prevent those precautions and having you cross your legs, okay? So go ahead and start turning slowly. Nice and slow. Great job. So go ahead and place both hands beside you just to keep you from falling off, okay? So now we're gonna lower the bed. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna have you scooch just a tad bit. So I want you to lean back and then go ahead and scoot your hips forward, just like that, okay? And on this side, we're gonna get the walker and get you up. Alrighty, so in 3, we're gonna push off the bed and onto the walker. So in 3, 2, 1. Okay, and now we're just gonna go head to the dishwasher and take out the dishes, okay? Nice and slow. Alright, Miss Merrick, now that we got to the dishwasher, I'm gonna have you unload the dishes just so we can work on your dynamic standing balance, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and just open the dishwasher, and then I want you to reach in there from the top and go ahead and grab that plate for me. And I want you to place it on that dish rag. Okay, we're just gonna go ahead and grab that spoon and place it right next to that plate. And can you close that for me? Good job.